When you're ready to break free from bland and boring breakfast, this egg dish hits the spot. This bold one-pan shakshuka is packed with Mediterranean flavors and it's easier than you think. I love making it not just for breakfast, but also for lunch if there's leftover or even brunch time to time. It's customizable, budget friendly, and as you just saw, comes together in no time. The serving size and calorie count vary based on the number of eggs consumed. Calories per serving approximately about 150 calories per egg, including other ingredients, and feta, excluding bread. With bread, add about 80 calories, bring the total to approximately 230 calories per serving. Keep in mind, this is an estimate calculation. If you enjoyed this bold and tasty breakfast dish, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and nutritious recipes. I invite you to check out my other videos and stay tuned for the next one as I'm bringing you something tasty that you won't want to miss. What is it, you ask? Well, you have to tune in to find out. I want to thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and as always, take care.